The process through which already existed organism produces the progeny of its own kind. Means the progeny belong to the same species as that of their parent. There are several different types of reproduction such as asexual reproduction and yes, the sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction takes place in lower organism, specifically in lower plants. For example, binary fission is a type of asexual reproduction in lower organism is bacteria. Fragmentation occur in algae and bryophyta. Sporulation means formation of new organism by the dispersal of the spore, which is haploid cell, takes place in fungi as well as in algae. Then many different type like fragmentation. फ्रेगमेंटेशन कौन से ऑर्गेनिज्म में होता है? हाँ, अलगी और ब्रायोफाइटा में. वेरी गुड. तो वेजिटेटिव रिप्रोडक्शन स्पेशली प्लांट्स में होंगे जो असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन की एक टाइप है. लेकिन जो हायर ऑर्गेनिजम्स है स्पेशली एनिमल्स, उनमें रिप्रोडक्शन सेक्सुअल मेथड से होता है. सो आवर चैप्टर इज ऑल्सो related to the reproduction in humans. In human, reproduction takes place only sexual type. So humans are sexually reproducing organism. Point number one. Point number two, human being give the birth of their child directly. Means human being did not lay the eggs. अगर कोई ऑर्गेनिज्म अंडे देता है, जैसे कि बर्ड है, फिशेस है, कुछ रेप्टाइल्स हैं, एम्फीबियंस हैं, इन्हें ओवीपेरस कहते हैं. लेकिन ह्यूमन फीमेल डायरेक्टली ऑफस्प्रिंग को जन्म देंगी, अंडा प्रोड्यूस नहीं करेगी, इसे कहते हैं विविपेरस. तो ह्यूमन्स आर विविपेरस ऑर्गेनिज्म. नाउ सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन टेक्स प्लेस स्टेप वाइज, वन आफ्टर अनदर. All this event in the sexual reproduction we are going to look in quite detail. Events occurring in sexual reproduction, specifically in human beings. So one of the first process in the sexual reproduction is gametogenesis. Genesis means formation. गैमिट के फॉर्मेशन को गैमेटोजेनेसिस कहते हैं. नाउ इन केस ऑफ मेल, मेल गैमिट इज प्रोड्यूसेस, मेल गैमिट इज कॉल्ड एज स्पर्म. सो स्पर्म फॉर्मेशन इज कॉल्ड एज स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस. इन फीमेल, द फीमेल गैमिट इज कॉल्ड एज एग सेल, also called as secondary oocyte. So formation of female gamete is known as, yes, very good, oogenesis. Spermatogenesis is a gametogenesis in male. Oogenesis is a gametogenesis in, correct, female. Now after formation of gamete, gamete have to transfer from male reproductive system to the female reproductive system. This transfer of male gamete up to the female gamete is known as insemination. Insemination means transfer of male gamete to female gamete, and female gamete is present in the genital tract. We are looking to the structure of fallopian tube, especially isthmus part of the fallopian tube, where female gamete stay and awaiting for the coming of sperm, that is male gamete, where fertilization takes place. Now when male and female gamete meet each other, they must have to get fused, and the fusion between male and female gamete is known as fertilization. Fertilization. So fertilization is the fusion between male gamete and female gamete. As a result of fertilization, a very, very special diploid cell is produces. That special diploid cell is zygote. And point to be noted, zygote is the first cell of our body. We are multicellular organism, we are sexually reproducing organism, but our body, which having trillions of the cell at the time of birth, our body must be start from a single cell, and the single cell from which our body develop is, yes, zygote. Now this zygote undergo several times mitosis and produces a multicellular stage, that is a mass of cell that consisting on 8 to 32 celled stage is known as blastocyst. This blastocyst, a mass of diploid cell, it is attached to the uterine wall. An attachment of blastocyst to the uterine wall is known as implantation. implantation तो इम्प्लांटेशन में क्या होता है, ब्लास्टोसिस्ट अटैच होता है यूटेराइन वॉल पर. सो इट इज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ अटैचमेंट ऑफ ब्लास्टोसिस्ट. 8 से 32 सेल का एक मास ऑफ सेल है, सिस्ट है. अटैचमेंट ऑफ ब्लास्टोसिस्ट टू यूटेराइन वॉल, द प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज इम्प्लांटेशन. अब जैसे ही इम्प्लांटेशन हुआ, ब्लास्टोसिस यूटेराइन वॉल के ऊपर अटैच हुआ, तो ये और डेवलप होना शुरू रहेगा, मतलब माइटोसिस कंटिन्यू रहेगा. अब माइटोसिस कंटिन्यू रहने की वजह से नए सेल्स की क्वांटिटी बढ़ती जाएगी, मास ऑफ सेल की साइज बढ़ेगी, एंड नाउ इट विल बिकम एम्ब्रियो. फिर उस एम्ब्रियो में 3 अलग अलग लेयर्स फॉर्म होगी, जिनको हम जर्माइनल लेयर नाम देंगे. सो आवर एम्ब्रियो मीन्स ह्यूमन एम्ब्रियो कंसिस्टिंग ऑन 3 germinal layer. That's why human beings are, yes, triploblastic in nature. So this blastocyst starts to produce the embryo. The process of formation of embryo takes place up to the period of gestation. Implantation के बाद में gestation. And gestation period में फिर एम्ब्रियो धीरे धीरे करके फीटस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा. ह्यूमन फीमेल्स में जेस्टेशन मतलब प्रेगनेंसी का जो ड्यूरेशन होता है वो 9 months का होता है. एंड आफ्टर 9 months, आफ्टर कंप्लीट जेस्टेशन, अ न्यू बेबी चाइल्ड इज born. दैट प्रोसेस ऑफ born इज कॉल्ड एज parturition. Parturition is also called as delivery. So these are the sequential stages taking place in the human reproduction. Gametogenesis, then transfer of gamete to the female gamete in the genital tract is called as insemination. Fusion between male and female gamete is called as fertilization to produces diploid zygote. And after zygote formation, multiple mitosis takes place. Blastocyst get attached to the uterine wall is called as implantation. Then after gestation, parturition, that is birth of the child, takes place. So this is the introductory part of this chapter. Now we are going to discuss more detail about the male and female reproductive system.